There's nothing quite like the feeling of revitalized hair. Soft, healthy, and glossy, right? If you're like me, dealing with dry, damaged, or split ends can feel like a never-ending battle. But what if I told you there's a product that promises to bring that luxurious, glossy shine back to your hair, all while deeply nourishing it from root to tip? Today, we're diving into the dalla Palma Saniprincipi Intensive Nourishing Hair Mask. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a beauty review from Beautyistic. So what exactly is this product? It's a deep conditioning hair mask that claims to restore moisture, repair damaged strands, and deliver a glossy, high-shine finish. Its key ingredient, sweet almond oil, is known for its ability to strengthen hair while providing much-needed hydration. The mask is designed to deeply penetrate the hair shaft, providing long-lasting nourishment and making your hair feel stronger, softer, and more supple. Incorporating the mask into my routine was a breeze. After shampooing, I applied a generous amount to my damp hair and left it on for the recommended 10 minutes. The texture is rich and creamy, making it easy to distribute evenly. As soon as I rinsed it out, I noticed how much smoother my hair felt. No tangles, just sleekness. I then let my hair air dry, and when it was fully dry, the results were pretty impressive. My hair looked visibly shinier and it felt noticeably softer and more manageable. It didn't weigh my hair down, which is often a concern with moisturizing masks. Of course, I also tested this in a real-world scenario. On days when my hair was especially dry, this mask really helped bring it back to life, restoring a healthy shine. It's ideal for those of us who deal with heat styling, coloring, or environmental damage, as it really seems to provide that deep nourishment your hair craves. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The pros? The mask definitely lives up to its promise of hydration and smoothness. My hair felt strong and supple, with a visible shine that lasted throughout the day. It's also versatile in that it can be used once a week or more, depending on your hair's needs. But there are a couple of cons. First, the price point is on the higher end, especially for a hair mask. It's not the most affordable option out there, but you do get luxury quality, so that's something to consider. Secondly, while it delivers a glossy finish, I would love to see it provide a bit more volume for those with fine hair, though it's still great for those who love a sleek, smooth look. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's worth it if you're looking for something that delivers professional results and high-quality ingredients. Dalla Palma is known for its luxury Italian formulations, and this mask certainly doesn't disappoint. You're not just paying for the product, but for the brand's expertise and commitment to quality. When comparing this to other hair masks, especially those in a similar price range, this one stands out in terms of its moisturizing and reparative qualities. Some masks may offer hydration, but this one goes deeper to strengthen and restructure hair, which is a huge bonus for those with damaged strands. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and professional, aligning with the brand's luxury image. The 6.8 container should last you quite a while, as you don't need a lot of product per use. I also appreciate the fact that this mask doesn't leave a greasy residue after use, which can sometimes happen with deeply hydrating products. Now, before we move on, if you're finding this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. And if you're itching to try it out for yourself, the link to purchase is in the comments below. One thing I didn't have to experience was any customer service interactions, but dalla Palma is known for excellent customer support, with a reputation for being responsive to inquiries and addressing concerns quickly. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still want to get similar results, there are a few alternatives out there. Brands like Garnier or Shea Moisture offer great deep conditioning masks at a fraction of the price. However, if you're after that luxurious salon-like experience with a bit of Italian glamour, this mask definitely holds its own. To wrap it up, the dalla Palma Saniprincipi Intensive Nourishing Hair Mask delivers exactly what it promises: hydration, nourishment, and shine. It's a great option for those with dry or damaged hair looking to restore health and gloss. It may not be the most budget-friendly choice, but for the quality and results, it's definitely a worthy investment for those serious about their hair care routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the comments if you want to try this mask for yourself. Have you used it? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.